Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the lovely Dose Coffee House, Old City, St. Augustine, Florida. This is another one of our works of art. Let's come up and have a look. This is a beautiful attached pergola, Florida red cypress, attached to the building with a nice pitch, so we can come back and add some type of a nice polycarbonate or shade options for our customers. So as you can see, the pergola is attached to the building, 24-inch on center with Titan bolts. On the ledger board, that's 2x8 on a 2x14 header. 4x6 joist, that's your guys that sit on top with your 2x4 shade battens. Then we come down to our next set of 2x14 beams on beautiful 8x8 post. See that concrete, how we got that cut nice and pretty, and use a little bit of shell to blend it back in. So this is the way we construct all of our pergolas, residential, commercial. And I just want to show you guys. So this is the beautiful Dose Coffee House. Look at this new furniture. Wow, look at this. Beautiful job. Very, very happy customers. And just want to show you guys and share it with you. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Take care.